guess it's time to take these pines out of here. They've been in there for about a week. If I've killed them, they don't die that fast, so I would never know. But yeah, they've been in there for a week. They still look moist, but would like to get them out in the regular weather so that they don't just dry up in here when I'm not paying attention. Do a couple more of these black pines. Where did I take them from last time? I guess I took them from over here. I think I might take from this side this time. This is more of the sandy side. These look fine. There's a bigger one. A couple of smaller ones. I want to take 6 today. Let's do the same thing we did last time and try and free up the roots. And then all of this massive root, I guess I should try and bury that. It's still getting pretty cold out at night. So the biggest one, we have a lot of roots way up high here. Kind of want to untangle this a bit. So there's at least kind of 3 main sections there. I'm going to put this in a much bigger pot. I'm tempted to trim these. Yeah, I'm just going to take the lower half off. There's another one that was quite big, just a little bit off here. Those ones are lesser, I will leave them alone. This is lava and pumice, but I put a bit of coco coir in there. I'm notorious for forgetting to water these things sometimes, and I figure just a tiny bit will help. I'm going to put like a little bit of a mound, try and get the roots on either side of this. And this one was the next biggest one. And I'll water those in, and we'll get those into the little greenhouse for, again, another week. It is going to be cold this week. We might even get a bit of slush or snow, but I'll protect it for a week or so. I'm going to leave these guys tucked in with the other plants, and we'll see how these go. Batch 2. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.